Hello everyone! Today we will make avocado shake.
Many cooking class.
First of all, let me introduce ourselves. I am Aya.
I am Chila. I'm Nabila.
So, the ingredients of avocado shake is milk, water, ice, and avocado.
Step 1, we should cut the avocado and scoop until finished. Put in the jar. And then put the ice cube into the jar.
Before we serve to other, let we try the avocado shake. The taste is good
Sweet
and creamy.
Let's try it.
Goodbye.